Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and change your Craigslist account email. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started accessing all the categories, and at the top of the screen, you can take a look at the location to set it to your location if it has not been already automatically selected. So let's go and take a look at how to change our email of our account. What we want to do is look right here in the upper right corner on the home page where we have the account tab. This is what you want to click on. This is going to enable you to go ahead and register for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we have the tabs, postings, drafts, searches, and so on. That's going to enable us to take a look at our postings, and we also have the settings option. So by opening up settings, this is now going to enable us to take a look at our account settings, such as our email address, password, and so on. And as you can see, next to our email address, we have the current email we are using, and we also have the change button. So by clicking change, this is going to enable us to log into your account, so you can go ahead and provide your email and handle you're using and your password, or you can even go ahead and create an account if you need one. So if once you have logged in, it's going to enable you to go ahead and access your change option. From there, you're going to go ahead and be able to change it to whatever you want once you confirm the account is yours, and that is how to go ahead and do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.